In this video, we are going to show you how to use external data sources in Emergent AI. Now, if you're here, you might be wondering, are we going to use full stack? Are we going to use mobile app? Are we going to use landing page? Of course, we're going to use the first option, and we are going to enter this prompt right here. So I want to connect an external data source to my app using a simple test API. Please build a task manager dashboard that fetches live data from this URL, and then we just need to click on send. Now it's going to ask us a few more things, so let's wait for it to do so. Okay, so the agent is now asking a few questions. So before I start building your task manager dashboard, I'd like to clarify a few things. So we're just going to go one by one. The good thing about Emergent is it gives you multiple choice, right? So number one, functionality. Let's just going to go with A. Number two, display preferences. Let's go with A. I'm just going to go A with every single option. There we go. 4 is A, 5 is A. And then we just need to send that again. So now it's going to know specifically what to do with our instructions. All right, the design agent has given us a summary guideline. So there you go. Next action is going to implement UI code fetching data from the API endpoint according to our guidelines. All right, as you can see, the task manager has taken shape now. There we go. We have the screenshot. So we have certain things here: total tasks, completed, completion, and then all tasks. You have these things. There we go. Right, which is pretty handy because you can now actually, if you hover your mouse around, you can see that you could actually interact with everything. So as you can see here, perfect. Task manager is working. Now let me call the testing agent for comprehensive testing. So again, testing agent here. There we go. I'll start testing the task manager dashboard. There we go. That fetches data from the external JSON placeholder API. Let me first examine the files of reference to understand the implementation. So there we go. So this is practically one of the last steps before everything is set. All right, we are pretty much done. Let's just wait for it to do the final cleaning. There we go. All tests passed. Let me take a final screenshot to verify everything looks great. There we go. Okay. Summary, task manager dashboard complete. Built modern task manager with live external API integration. So again, next action. So consider adding filters. Would you like to add search functionality to quickly? So we can actually start expanding on that, or we can just click deploy here, and you'll be able to use this new thing that you have created with Emergent. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.